Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever been locked out of your Asana account or just want to update your password for better security, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to reset or change your Asana password step by step. Stick with me till the end so you don't miss any important tips. Step 1. Resetting a forgotten password. Let's start with the most common issue when you can't remember your password. Open your browser and head over to the official Asana login page. Type in the email address linked to your Asana account. Instead of trying to log in, look for the option to reset your password. It's usually shown as forgot password or something similar. Click on it and Asana will send a password reset link straight to your email. Open that email, click the reset link, and follow the instructions to create a brand new password. Pro tip: always check your spam or promotions folder if you don't see the email right away. Step 2. Changing your password. When you remember it now, what if you're already logged in but want to change your password for extra security? Here's how. Log into your Asana account as usual. In the top corner, click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Go to the Account tab. Under the Password section, click on Change Password. You'll need to enter your current password first, then type in your new one. Confirm it by entering it again, and finally click Save. Make sure your new password is strong. Use a mix of uppercase, lowercase numbers, and special characters. This helps keep your account more secure. Whether you've forgotten your password or just want to update it, the process is simple. Always use the email linked to your Asana account and make sure your new password is unique and hard to guess. Updating it regularly is also a smart security practice, and that's it. You now know how to reset or change your Asana password in just a few easy steps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and share this with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.